Hello, I'm Dr. Diego Di Marco, obstetrician and gynecologist in Brazil. If you are planning to give birth here, one of the most important documents your baby will need is the Brazilian passport. It's their first travel document, their proof of citizenship, and their gateway to the world. Today, I'll show you exactly how we secure this passport quickly, securely, and without any mistakes. Why your baby needs a Brazilian passport? Your baby's Brazilian passport is more than just a travel document. It's their official proof of citizenship, their right to enter and leave Brazil, and their first step in obtaining dual citizenship if you wish. Without a passport, your baby cannot travel outside Brazil. But with our help, you don't have to worry about delays or mistakes. We ensure this process is fair, secure, and completely accurate. When can we apply for the passport? You can apply for your baby's passport as soon as their birth is registered. This means the birth certificate must be ready. We must complete the passport application form and we need to book an appointment at Brazilian Federal Policy, where passports are issued. Our team ensures this is done immediately, so you are not waiting around. What documents do we need? To apply for a Brazilian passport for your newborn, we will prepare your baby's birth certificate. This is the most important document. Parents' passport. Both parents must show ID. Parents' tax ID, a CPF in Brazil. If you have a CPF, we include it, but it's not mandatory for foreign parents. Passport application form. We complete this online for you, ensuring all details are perfect. And passport fee receipt. We arrange payment and provide the proof. If one parent cannot attend the appointment, they will need to provide an authorized authorization. Don't worry, we handle this for you, making it secure and simple. Step by step, how we secure your baby's passport. Step 1. Online application. We complete the online application form with all correct details. We double check the spelling of your baby's name. Even a small mistake can cause a big problem later. Book your appointment at Federal Police Office from the passport. Step 2. Appointment at Federal Police. We accompany you to the passport office. Your baby will have their passport photo taken. Don't worry, even newborns can be photographed. We present the documents and our team communicates with the officials. You don't have to worry about the language. You receive a receipt confirming the application. Step 3. Passport collection. The passport is usually ready in about 2 weeks. We collect it on your behalf or accompany you to pick it up. We double-check the passport for accuracy, your baby's name, date of birth, and photo. Common mistakes we avoid. Misspelling names. We ensure your baby's name is exactly as you want it. Wrong dates. The birth date must match the birth certificate. Photo errors. We ensure that photo is clear and meets passport standards. Missing signatures. Both parents must authorize the passport. We ensure this is done properly. At Baby Brazil, we never let these mistakes happen. Our team is experienced in handling passport applications, and we ensure everything is perfect. What if you need to travel urgently? Sometimes families need to travel soon after birth. Don't worry, we can expedite the process. We have a special protocol for urgent passport applications, ensuring you receive the passport as quickly as possible. If your baby's birth certificate is ready, we can often secure the passport in just a few days. What if you want dual citizenship for your baby? Also, we have the Brazilian passport. We can help you to register your baby's birth with your home country's embassy, making them the dual citizen. This means they will have both a Brazilian passport and a passport from your country. For example, if you are American, we help you to obtain a US passport. If you are European, we help to register your baby with your country's consulate. Our team has experience with dozens of countries, so we know the exact process. Why choose Baby in Brazil to passport support? This isn't just about paperwork. It's about your baby's identity, security, and freedom. With us, we ensure all details are correct, no mistakes. We secure your baby's passport quickly, often within 2 weeks. We manage all communication with Brazilian authorities. You'll stay stress-free. We can secure dual citizenship for your baby, giving them world of opportunity. One of our clients, a family for Egypt, told me, "We had no idea getting a passport could be this easy. You made it completely stress-free." That's our goal for every family. Your baby's first passport, a gateway to world. Imagine this, your baby's first passport. Their tiny face on the photo, their name printed perfectly. It's not just a document, it's the start of their life as a global citizen. With Baby in Brazil, we ensure the process is flawless. No delays, no confusion, just a secure, accurate passport. Ready for your family's next adventure. If you are planning to give birth in Brazil, let us handle the details. So you can focus on those first precious days with your baby.